If you would indulge here a moment longer, we have one of the questioners with us today. He will be thorough, but brief.
All those who seek passage through our land must be properly questioned.
This isn't your land.
Children of the light hold sway wherever men walk in the light. Where did you say you were from?
I didn't. But I'm from the borderlands, where men know how to keep their hands to themselves, lest they lose them.
Search the horses. They say the White Tower dispatched 8 sisters to deal with Logain's army to the south. They can't help but get their fingers in others' business. And those others usually end up dead.
Sorry, sir. I have a wound. The pain, it's not healing well.
What happened to you?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you. It was a monster, sir. 8 feet tall with a mouth like a boar. A group of them overtook the village we were in.
This was in the borderlands.
No, sir, no, west of here, near the Mountains of Mist.
Can I see your wound map? Trollocs this for ourselves.